Well, I'm certainly not a pantheist, but a panentheist is a good thing, right? That you can find God. I mean, I can find God. I can see God. If you care for a garden, I don't know how you couldn't see the prophetic in that. Like caring for a garden, my wife and I care for our garden. And the whole process of weeding a garden, or the difference between a perennial and building a perennial garden and building an annual garden. For an annual, you just get the pop right away, but perennials take 3 or 4 real solid years of waiting and labor and work. And if you let a garden get overgrown with weeds, most great gardeners say you really only have 4 or 5 years before, if you're going to naturally de-weed that thing, before you have to just pretty much start over again. And so there's elements, or if you care for trees, the way that trees heal themselves, or the way that they reach for the sun. The reaching for the sun. We were in at the Shire in New Zealand, and where they shot Lord of the Rings, and there is a tree there literally that almost looked like a bench. Do you know that tree? Like in the way it was shaped, and how a lot of times for us in our own lives, I can't help but think when I see that, wow, isn't that the way our life? Just sometimes it's the shaping of our lives is this quest we're on in our worship and in our life, and God uses the quest that we're on to shape our lives. It's like literally we don't know it, but we're just gradually over time just reaching for the sun, right? And searching for the sun. And in that searching, God shapes our life into something so beautiful and so unique. And it's important to say that Wendell Berry actually says, when you're talking about creativity, he says this, he says, there's only one creator, and we are as created. And so he finds people that say, oh, I've come up with something unique or completely different, and it's never been seen before, never been heard. He thinks it's a bit of an arrogant thing to say. And among musicians, that's a good thing for us to hear at times, when we think that we're so unique, or it's never heard anything like this before. But he actually says this, he says, but when we interact with creation, with God's creation, we become healthy. And so the process of being a creative people is to interact with the soil. It's to get our hands in the soil. It's to walk. It's to take walk in gardens and look at trees and watch the way that they grow, and when they get wounded by a wind, how they heal themselves, and how, that's definitely there.